Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to breathe properly during exercise. This will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. If you are exercising, there's actually a proper way to breathe, and that proper way of breathing will help you get the best results from your workout. It's very, very simple. I'm going to tell you what to do, then I'll demonstrate myself doing it while I do some bicep curls with this 5-pound weight over here. Yeah, it's a 5-pound weight, yeah, perfect. So we're going to use this 5-pound weight over here. I was having a little brain fart over there saying, is this a 5-pound weight? I see the 5, it's obviously a 5-pound weight. So we're moving on. I was like, it feels a little bit heavy for 5 pounds, so I was confused, but it is indeed 5 pounds. I can curl a lot more than this, but I'm just using this for demonstration purposes, okay? So anyways, I'm gonna explain how to do it and then I'll demonstrate. So essentially, what you want to do is you want to start off the exercise with an inhale to get some air in your lungs. Then you want to exhale during the force part of the rep and inhale during the return part of the rep. So for instance, if I'm doing bicep curls, the force part would be the harder part, if you think about it like that, like the curl, so the upwards motion. So this would be the force part, this would be the return part. So once again, as I said, we are going to use this 5-pound weight. Indeed, it feels really heavy for a 5-pound weight. I think I'm out of shape, that's why. Anyways, we're going to use this 5-pound weight and I'm going to demonstrate right now. So I'm going to start the exercise like this. I'm going to inhale to get some air. During the force part, I will exhale. And then inhale back for the return part. Ooh, look at that tricep. I still got it. Look at that. Anyways. And that works with every type of exercise that you're doing. If you're doing chest press, let's say you're on a flat bench or an incline bench and you're doing chest press, right? Inhale. Okay, whatever you're doing. Let's say you're doing lateral raises, so you're doing shoulder raises, right? Inhale. All right, it's literally that simple. Now, the reason you do that is, number one, to control your reps and to control your breathing. But number two, it's mainly because the force part is the harder part, and you want to control that movement by exhaling as you do it. That also allows you to get the maximum power. So if I exhale when I do it, I'm able to get the maximum lifting power. If I was to inhale, like, it's weird. You're using your power to inhale your breath while trying to lift. Use the power to lift. It doesn't really make sense. So when you exhale, you're... You obviously need more air, so you inhale on the return and then... It makes sense. It just works. It works really well. And like I said, I may not look like it now, but at one point I was an absolute beast back in my younger days. So yeah, this stuff, it really, like... It's down to science. It's not like, oh, I feel like I should breathe this way when I work out. No, like, it makes sense to breathe that way that I just told you. Scientifically, it makes the most sense. So, like, you don't have to go and make up your own way. You can just use this proper way of breathing for working out. It's literally that simple. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I got nothing else to say. So, yeah, hopefully you liked it. If you liked this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And, of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.